If you're looking to use Housecall Pro with a WordPress website, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to seamlessly integrate Housecall Pro into your WordPress site, making it easier for customers to book your services and for you to manage them. Stick around till the end because we'll also share how you can use Housecall Pro completely free with some exclusive bonuses. Housecall Pro is an all-in-one business management software designed for service-based businesses, and integrating it with your WordPress website can help you streamline booking, scheduling, invoicing, and much more. Whether you run a cleaning business, a plumbing service, or any other mobile service, Housecall Pro can give you all the tools you need to stay organized. First, you need to sign up for Housecall Pro if you haven't already. You can do so from the first link below for an exclusive and extended free trial. Once you're signed up, it's time to integrate it with your WordPress site. The easiest way to integrate Housecall Pro with WordPress is by using their booking widget. This widget allows your customers to easily book appointments directly on your website. To get started, head to your Housecall Pro dashboard and look for the widget settings. You'll find an option to create a booking widget for your site. Once you have it, you'll be given a piece of code to copy. Now, open your WordPress website and go to the page or post where you want to add the booking feature. In WordPress, add a custom HTML block and paste the code you copied from Housecall Pro into this block. Save your changes and you'll see the booking widget on your site. If you prefer to go further, you can use a plugin like Insert Headers and Footers to place the code in the header or footer for a more site-wide integration. This will make sure the booking widget shows up wherever you need it on your site. One of the main benefits of using Housecall Pro with WordPress is the automatic syncing between your website and your Housecall Pro account. When a customer books a job on your site, it's instantly added to your Housecall Pro dashboard, making scheduling and invoicing easier than ever. It's also highly customizable, so you can tweak the booking forms to ask customers exactly what you need. In addition, Housecall Pro offers features like text and email reminders, so your clients will never forget about their appointments. You can even customize these reminders and set them up to automatically go out before a job. And with the mobile app, you can manage everything on the go, whether you're out in the field or at your desk. Housecall Pro also allows for payment collection directly through the platform, so you can accept payments right after the service is completed. With the integration, your clients can pay through the website, or you can use the app to collect payments while on site. It really adds a level of professionalism and convenience that will impress your clients. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can access Housecall Pro completely free for an extended period through the first link in the description. This is a great way to test out all the features and see how well it works with your WordPress website. So, now you know exactly how to use Housecall Pro with your WordPress site. From integrating the booking widget to managing appointments, invoices, and payments, it's a seamless process that can help grow your service-based business. If you've been looking for a powerful yet simple tool to improve your business operations, this is it. Don't forget to click the first link below to start your free trial with Housecall Pro and get exclusive bonuses.